Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safir Mubarak Lasaka. Today, I will show you my house. At the front, there is a small terrace with 2 chairs and 1 table. Let's go inside. This is the living room. There is a black sofa chair, some photos on the wall, photo of Guru Tua, my grandfather, and my parents' wedding. There is a flower at the corner. Okay, next. This is the family room. There is television, speaker, and cupboard, sofa chair, mattress, and some photos. In my house, there are 3 bedrooms. My parents' bedroom, my bedroom, and my grandmother's bedroom. This is the prayer room. Okay, next. This is the dining room. There is dining table, cupboard for plates, and refrigerator. Let's go to the kitchen. In the kitchen, there is a plate holder, gas stove, cooking ware, and wash towel. And the last, this is the bedroom. There is washing machine, water tub, and closet. Okay, thank you. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.